Welcome to all. In this chapter HTML, we started with list and list inside the list. Let's see about the program for nested list for your web page. Okay, see, so this is the first program for this session. Suppose we want our final output like this, that English is the sub part of first language and Marathi is the sub part of second language and Sanskrit is sub part of Marathi language. Okay, so you can see this first and second are at the same level. So we have to use OL tag for this, and this disk, circle and square we have to use UL tag. Okay, let's see the code. See here, in body tag I started with OL type 1 and I wrote here first language. Inside this first language I have to start with second UL type, that is disk, with list as English. Okay, because English was the part of first language, and I close this UL here. Next is at the same level of first language I have to start with second language. Inside this I have to start with UL type, that is circle, and I have to write list for Marathi. Okay, inside this Marathi I have to start with UL type as square for Sanskrit, and I will close this tag here. Let's see, we will close this tag. See, this is our first UL tag. Inside this is closing here. This is our second UL tag. This is closing here, and this is your final OL tag which is closing here. Okay, and this is your inside UL tag getting closed here. So this is your all about this program. Just follow the pattern where it is getting inside, start that tag and close that tag according to that pattern. Okay, see this output. See, this is the same code, and the final output we got is like this. Okay, so you have to practice such kind of code, and all this coding are according to board pattern only, so you have to practice this code. This is the second program. See here, fruits, vegetable and meat, these are at same level. Okay, so you have to use same UL tag, that is disk. Okay, kiwi, apple and pear are at same level, so you have to use UL type as circle for these three, and green and red are the type of apples with UL type as square. So this is the innermost UL tag. Okay, this is the innermost UL tag. फिर उसके बाहर ये सर्कल वाला UL टैग होगा, एंड सबसे बाहर डिस्क के लिए UL टैग होगा. ओके, सो जिस पैटर्न में वो ओपन हो रहा है उसी सीक्वेंस में वो क्लोज भी होते जाएगा. लेट्स सी द कोड. सी UL टाइप डिस्क, उसमें क्या है, फ्रूट्स हैं. फिर इनसाइड दिस फ्रूट्स में क्या क्या थे, UL टाइप सर्कल यूज किया है उसके लिए, कीवी, एप्पल. ओके, एंड एप्पल के 2 टाइप्स थे, फिर हमने देखा था वहां पे. सो UL टाइप स्क्वायर, एंड वी गेव ग्रीन एंड रेड एप्पल. and we have to close this UL tag here. Innermost UL tag is there, we have to close this tag here. And at the same level of kiwi and apple we are having pears. So see here, list kiwi, list apple and list pear. These three are at the same level, and we close this UL type circle here. Okay, and at the level of fruit we have vegetables and meat. So see here, this li tag and these two are at same level, and after this we have to close this UL tag. Outer UL tag will end at the end. Okay, so see, this is the outermost UL tag. I am giving you like this, so you can keep it in mind. This is the second most UL tag and this is the innermost. Okay, तो जो सबसे लास्ट में ओपन होगा वो सबसे पहले क्लोज होगा, और जो सबसे फर्स्ट में ओपन हुआ था वो सबसे लास्ट में क्लोज होगा. If you will follow such kind of pattern, you will get like this. Okay, and you have to practice for this. See here, the same code I saved with this name list, and I got the final output. Fruits, vegetable, meat at same level, kiwi, apple and pear at same level, and green and red apple are at same level. Okay, this is the innermost UL tag. So just follow the sequence one inside the another, you will get the final output. Next time we will start with table tag. Okay, practice these things. Thank you class.